Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a PDF from images in native iOS application with PDFKit. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here is the output PDF. So it doesn't look like a PDF, but it is a PDF. Here you can see I'm using these three images and I'm just using them repeatedly to create a PDF. So this is what and I'm displayed this using a PDF view of PDFKit. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a native iOS application using Xcode, and here if you see inside the assets folder I have added few images. So image 1, image 2 and image 3. You can use however many images you want and name them whatever you feel like. Then inside view controller I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. I have imported PDFKit. I have taken this PDF view as well, and then here we are initializing our PDF view to occupy the entire width and height. Then I'm using this auto scales, display mode and display direction as well. Background color is white, display page breaks is true, but I'm not getting this page breaks, I don't know why. Also one more thing is at the very start if I rerun my application, if the given that the images are not of same size, here you can see it gets zoomed in pretty much. I'm not sure why. I have to double click to zoom out. I have tried displaying it like this. I wanted to display it like this, but I couldn't get it. But if you know, do let me know in the comments. That's why I was using this auto resizing mask, min scale factor, max scale factor as well as scale factor. Then I have just added this PDF view to our view. Then I have just taken one array. So here you can see this is our image 1, this is image 2 and this is image 3. So this is a new thing in native iOS. You don't have to use image names inside string. You can use this resource property and directly type the name of your image so that you can avoid a spelling mistake. And if you see I'm using this three images repeatedly, so same thing over here as well. So yeah, because I don't want any more images. Then here we just create a PDF document, assign it to our PDF view. We iterate over all the images array which we have. Then we create each and every PDF page based on every image. Then we just insert that particular page at the index, so 0, 1, 2 depending on your images array. Then we set the bounds like x0, y0, width is image size dot width, and height is image size dot height for media box. Then we just add some page breaks as well so that there is the margin between each and every images. So top 20, left 20, bottom 20 and right 20. Then we just create this PDF view. Okay, I'm not sure why I've created this PDF view again. Sorry, I think this is a mistake from my side. Sorry about this. I'll just remove this. And here I have created this UI image view as well, which again I'm not really using it. Again sorry about this. There is some dead code. I'll quickly run this application and hopefully everything should work. Yeah, and here you can see here is our PDF. Like I don't know why is it just me, it doesn't look like a PDF, but yeah, I'm able to render all these images inside a PDF view. As you can see I don't have any UI image view as such. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.